What's going on, fountain pen fanatics? Got a little fountain pen unboxing to do for y'all. It's the first one, so bear with me. Pretty sure some mistakes gonna be made, but whatever. Let's just get this box open. Alright, got this from Goulet Pens. It is going to be my first gold nib pen. Plus I ordered this other one that I just really like the pictures of, and I'm pretty sure in person it's going to look better than pictures. So, alright, so which one we're gonna go with first? Let's do this one first. Alright. Oh man. Yeah, this looks better, so much better than the photos that they have of it. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm not getting this right, but it's really, really nice, really nice. I'm waiting on a black light to come in, so if I remember before I publish this video, I will put this under a black light, because in here, like, I have a purple light that I can see all of the green glows a little bit. But this is really nice. Let's unscrew, which is nice. Unscrew the post. They switched their nibs over recently to the all gold nibs. The picture had the two-tone nib, so I wasn't sure which one I would get, but I really like this gold one. Like, really like it. It's supposed to be a J-Wool number 6. Pretty sure that's what it is. Comes with the converter already attached to it. I don't know what ink I'm going to use in this, because man, this is such a nice pen. Such a nice pen. Let's see what else comes in here. I'm so excited for the pen. Let's see what else we got. We have a bookmark, of course. Sticker. I believe that's what. Yeah, we have a sticker. We also have. If anyone could let me know what this is, I think it's a bookmark, but this is a bookmark. So yeah, let me know what this is. This is my first Edison pen. Okay, so let's get everything back in here neatly, and let's move on to the other pen. I mean, I like it. I'm not complaining. I won't be returning it. Goes on for sure. Now, this, actually, I was about to say that this pen is what started the whole order, but actually the ink was. I was looking for more ink, and went down that rabbit hole we all go down, and ended up, wow. This is really nice. This is the Sailor 1911S demonstrator. I was scared it was gonna be too small for my hand, but it seems to be like a decent size. Let's put it against a Lamy, however you pronounce that. But yeah, not that big of a difference size-wise, if you can see that. Not much of one at all. Maybe a little. The finial might be a little, give this one a little extra, you know, but once you post, I'm pretty sure that this pen will be great. And plus, why am I comparing this to this? Only lengthwise, ladies and gentlemen, only lengthwise. Now this one, I have another ink coming in today as well that I know I'm gonna put in this one. I'm going to, I got the Sailor Nico Yanagi. I really like purple. Matter of fact, I don't know why I didn't get the Wicked Witch of the West. They didn't have the broad nib, that's why I didn't get the Wicked Witch of the West. But I don't know. Let's see what happens later. Inside of the box, we all know you have this little lift cap thing. So inside of the box, we have a warranty card, but I'm pretty sure this can double as a bookmark as well. We also, since the converter is not in the pen, the converter is in the box. Standard Sailor converter, gold trim to match the gold trim on the pen, which is a nice thought. And we have the 2 Sailor cartridges that I'm probably never going to use. If you're going to put these in your pen and you don't want to wait for the gravity to, get your pen flowing, it's nice that you can squeeze these just a tad and get your ink flowing through that feed and out of that nib. If you do it right, you can get a little drop to come out and then let it go, and it'll suck right back in, and your writing will be primed already. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you with this unboxing. I'm happy. I cannot complain at all about this purchase. So follow me for more. Like I said, when I come back, if I don't include it in this video with that other pen, I am going to put it under a black light, because I'm pretty sure this is going to do some pretty funky stuff under a black light. Really like that. Man, this feel is just like, if this came with the 14 karat nib, I probably would like this more than I like the Sailor, but not from writing experience standpoint, because I haven't actually done that yet. But anyway, I'm going based off of the looks. Like, if you're out somewhere, you're the type of person that pays, you pull out a pen to pay. Oh my God, this will definitely turn heads. All right, thank y'all for tuning in, and much appreciated. Thank you.